Hey my friend and fellow trader, Will here over at the FX Ace. Welcome back to another Forex Market Weekly Forecast. Today's video we're just going to be breaking down some of the main currency pairs for the week ahead. So let's get into the video. So big week ahead in the markets. We've got the Fed interest rate decision and also the Japanese interest rate decision also. So we're going to be looking at EURUSD, USDJPY, and maybe some other pairs. So let's get into the video. So EURUSD, although this is a short-term forecast for the week ahead, I always like to start on the monthly time frames, break the monthly chart down just to see where we are on it. First off, we can see the monthly trend line here. And we also have a sell zone in this area here. We've got a buy zone down here. Now, the reason I draw these as buy zones is going from the highs to the closes. Just an area where we're likely to get a bit of you will see inside this zone before. Just an area where we're likely to see buying interest again if it does drop. So that's what I'm seeing on the monthly chart. We did nearly hit the top of the trend line last month. The market has sold off since then, and if you look at my TRFX King indicator, we are getting a sell signal. If this sell signal stays this week, this is usually followed by another month or couple of months selling pressure, which may bring us back down to the 110, 111, 110 area inside this buy zone. So that would tell long term, the next few months. Short term, we want to zoom into the weekly now. Okay, weekly, we can see we've got support forming around this area here. A lot of wicks hitting it and failing last few weeks. It's closed a lot closer to it, but still above it. MACD moving averages have been moving down. Any signals in the TRFX indicator? No, not on the weekly. What we normally see is that this is moving down here. This may be the likely scenario here. This is a reaccumulation period, and we may head back up towards the 120 area. Okay, this is bullish until this level breaks. We get a removed all those drawings, sorry. So this is bullish until we break kind of through this one, maybe close below 116 would be a strong close below 116. Bullish. So how would I play this week? Because it is a big week with the Fed interest rate decisions, we could see a fake out down towards maybe 115, spike down, and then a rally up. Look at the daily charts. Okay. MACD moving averages are looking like they're crossing back up, which may have this scenario work out. So what I'd be looking for is a fake out down towards 115, and then looking to buy that up to 118, 119 up to the high. So that's what I'll be looking for in the EURUSD this week. Fake out down towards 115 or lower, maybe down towards 115 and lower, and then for the rally back up. That's what I'm kind of looking for this week. If we do get the weekly close under 116, expect, and that will be also the monthly close, expect more weakness down towards 110. So at the minute, I'm bullish, looking for a fake out to the downside and then buying back in. Next one is a USDJPY. Okay, this has been on fire. Expect some volatility on this in this pair this week and across all the JPY pairs, leading into the interest rate decision. Just be wary of news coming out. If they maybe there's going to be a market surprise. Just be wary of that. So we have trend line here. We have sell zone up here. Now I did do a video on this pair last year. The last video I did on the JPY, I think it was earlier this year. This was, no, sorry, last year. It was this idea here for the sell off down to here. So we're heading up towards this trend line. Just zoom out to the monthly first. We've got monthly buy zone down here. Trend line. Now, we also just want to draw that monthly resistance there, okay, which it was before, because this might close back down under this week. If that is the case, if we do get a close back under maybe something like this week up towards that top trend line, weekly close back under there, then we could see this move all the way back down to 141. So could be a big week for the JPY pairs. I do expect it to come up and hit this trend line up towards 154. We should see some resistance in there. If we look at my TRFX King indicator, there's no buy signals coming in it. The MACD is up on the weekly. If we look at the monthly, no buy signals yet. MACD is still down on the monthly. Zooming into the daily now, just to see what's going on it. Turn that off. Move that. Yeah, so I would expect this to move up towards 154. Now, if this breaks, if this 154 trend line breaks, weekly and monthly trend line breaks, then we could see something like this, back down to test it, and then up into this level there, which you'd have to be in high alert for intervention from the Japanese authorities. So just be wary of that. But that's what I suspect may happen this week, is initially we're going to move up towards 154 and then a sell-off back down under maybe 150, which will, over the weeks ahead, bring us down to the bottom down here of this buy zone. So let's see what happens in the week ahead. Another pair we could look at. See my list, what we have today. USD CAD. Yeah, the USD CAD one, because there's some tariff news coming out on it. So we'll have a look at it first. This will be the last idea. So looking at the monthly charts, we have previous monthly close level here, 14600. I think it hit there last week. We moved back up down under this moving average earlier April this year in the monthly charts, come back up to test that. So we could see this doing something like this on the monthly. It's long term. For now, short term, some tariff news coming out with a Trump tweet. Yeah, slowly building right up. Yeah, we did hit this level last week, 14600. It was one of my day trades earlier in the week. So the week ahead, what you kind of want to see for more bullish is a break above this 14600, a daily close above 14600. Then we're likely to, next level will be around the 142 area. this previous swing low, and that's where I'll be probably looking to sell this week. I won't be looking to buy this week. I will be looking to sell this, and I want to see the market break above 140,600, head up towards 141,600, maybe even overshoot and hit 142, and that's where I'll be looking to sell for a short-term sell trade on the USD CAD. So initially maybe see some bullish pressure start of the week, then leading into the Fed and after the Fed interest rate decision, see something like this. So that's what I'm anticipating for the week ahead. So that is 3 trade ideas for this week. If you want to get access to my free Telegram day trading group, there is a link below in the description area. Which also access to my 5-minute scalping system, absolutely free. And if you like that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I shall see you on another video very soon. Have a great week trading, Will.